From the beginning, one man has doggedly sought to get to the truth. Senator Rand Paul of Kentucky gained prominence in the COVID debate after a series of fiery confrontations with Dr. Anthony Fauci, facing questions about his role in funding the dangerous gain-of-function research that now looks to have caused the pandemic.
If the point that you are making is that the grant that was funded as a sub-award from EcoHealth to Wuhan created SARS-CoV-2, that's where you are getting. Let me finish.
We don't know.
Well,
we don't
wait
know
a minute.
If it did come from the lab, but all the evidence is pointing that it came from the lab, and there will be responsibility for those who funded the lab, including yourself.
He even went so far as to call the senator a liar to his face.
I totally resent the lie that you are now propagating, Senator.
When I first asked him about, did you fund gain-of-function research, we presented him with the name of the paper, with the name and number from his agency at NIH saying he funded it. I would have thought he would have said, yes, we funded this, and we didn't realize how dangerous it would be. Instead, it was the absolute, denial. Scientists in the U.S. have long known how to mutate animal viruses to infect humans. For years, Dr. Ralph Barrick, a virologist in the U.S., has been collaborating with Dr. Shi Zhengli of the Wuhan Virology Institute, sharing his discoveries about how to create superviruses. This gain-of-function research has been funded by the NIH. I guess I was surprised that he absolutely denied it unequivocally, and then really sort of went on the offensive attacking me. Dr. Fauci, do you still support funding of the NIH funding of the lab in Wuhan?
Senator Paul, with all due respect, you are entirely and completely incorrect that the NIH has not ever and does not now fund gain-of-function research.
So I was surprised at that. I thought he would just own up to it. But I think from the beginning he knew that if he wasn't successful with the cover-up, that he would go down in history as having funded and supported research that led to a worldwide pandemic, killing maybe 15 to 20 million people. That's an extraordinary thing to be remembered for, and I think that will be his punishment in history.